Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. I'm Bye Bye Money. You're currently watching the most profitable trader on YouTube, verified. We're currently up around $6,000, pandas. We're up 6K right now. Road to 100K. Let's get to Payout City. We're getting there, pandas. Hope you guys have traded well yesterday. It was a bit wild. I'm not gonna lie. It was a bit of a roller coaster. Good morning, pandas. Thursday. We got one more day, pandas. One more day. We got one more day. Get your game face on. We're ready to get it. Ready to get it today. Who's ready? Who's ready to get their bamboo? Are you ready? By the way, there is a new montage. New montage for your entertainment. Literally, it's just for your entertainment. That's all they're there for. And hey, it is just purely for your entertainment. Lots of resources poured into them, but hey, as long as you guys enjoy it. I actually may stop the montage, the weekly montages. I may stop them. It's just not getting much traction. What can I say? I mean, a few people enjoy it, but it's just not getting much traction. I thought it would get more, but I'm going to switch it up a little bit. I'm gonna switch it up. I think monthly may just be too frequent, so we'll see. We'll see. We'll change it up a little bit. Maybe do like a monthly montage instead. Good morning, guys. Make sure you scalp that like button. Make sure you drop a GM in the chat if you're currently watching. We had news at 8:30 this morning, which caused this big spike up. So hopefully you guys were aware of that. I think I mentioned it 1.2 million times during the stream that we had news this morning. Hopefully you caught on. If you didn't, then oh well. We do have news again tomorrow, so please be aware. There is news tomorrow. And the news tomorrow is 8:30 a.m. and it's a core PCE price index, and that could be a big one. It could be a even bigger one than this one this morning was. I think the news itself is very important. It has to do with inflation. Anything to do with inflation, the market's very sensitive to it. So when you got unemployment claims, you got PCE, you got CPI, you get, of course, the FOMC statement, which is next week, Wednesday. All of these kind of things are the market's very sensitive to. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Bray, good morning. Bill 7, good morning. Scalp. Underwater scalp. That's what it reminds me of. I'm pretty sure that's not what you're thinking, but that's just reminding me of that. Hansman, good morning. Blacklight Gypsy, what's up? Happy Camper, good morning. D. Lou, welcome back. GC Burke, welcome. Good morning. Speedy Boy from London. Bill said, I only need 376 to pass an EVA. Hopefully I won't blow it all up. In the past 9 trading days in the account, I have ended the day on the plus side. I'm on the 10th trading day today. Whoo! Let's go. Ruben Maria, good morning. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Drop a GM in the chat. That chat engagement helps out this stream a lot. It lets other people know, especially for those who are just beginning trading and don't even know things like this exist. It will hopefully pop up on their homepage and recommended list. And if you guys engage in this, especially because we're live, if you guys engage in the chat, scalp that like button. It will potentially help grow this community. It will potentially help new traders find a community and find we have the best community on YouTube verified. So we want them to join if we can. It's 7 minimum days for eval, 10 for PA, but there's no maximum days for both. That is true for the most part, but right now there is a 1 day pass promo. So you can pass your eval minimum 1 day. All you need is 1 day to pass, and that will last till the 29th. But in general, yes, that is that's the general rule of thumb. 7 days to pass the eval, and 7 trading days to pass the eval, 10 trading days to get to a payout. And if you get a payout, you got to have 10 trading days in between the next payout. And so you can pay out 2 times a month in the designated times. It's always the 15th to the 20th. You can request a payout, and also the 1st to the 5th. You can also request a payout. And that's our aim right now. We're going to try to aim for the February 1st to the 5th. That means we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trading days in order to get to the request. So I have about 8 days to make another $1,000, pandas. Another $1,000 on these accounts. About 8 days. We got a second entry long here. Do I like it? I kind of do. It's in an uptrend. The only problem is it's going to be near the market open. And also the only problem is that there's going to be a gap. Big gap beneath it. Right, because we closed basically near the previous day's open. Or previous day's close. Second entry long here. The 5 minute, or sorry, 2000 tick. Rumor says, nah, that 1 day pass doesn't exist. Yeah, I mean, if it makes you trade in a way where, you typically wouldn't trade, don't do it. But it's good if you trade the news. Because, for instance, if you traded the news this morning, you would have passed your eval in one single trade and you'd be funded by tomorrow. So it's really good for those who trade news for the evals. Now, I do not, do not trade news for PA accounts, your funded accounts. But for evals, Apex doesn't care. And while they don't care, take full advantage of it. Because there might be one day where they might start caring. Second entry long, good signal bar, a little bit choppy. Doesn't quite get to our support here on the 20 EMA, so I'm skipping it. Plus, we're so close to market open. I'm going to sit on my pause here and wait for market open here. I've learned, I've paid this, I've learned this, I had to pay for this lesson many times. Don't be in a trade when the market opens. We are in this spiking channel currently, and we're bouncing off the bottom of the channel. I mean, it's a decent trade. Would I take it if we weren't on market open? Honestly, it's 4 overlapping bars in a row, and there's not enough room to the top of this pivot to get a scalp. So I have a lot of things you have to consider taking this trade. Plus, you don't really touch the 20 EMA here. You get close to it. You do touch the bottom of the channel. So you just have it's not like A plus or call it S tier. It's not S tier. I wouldn't call this S tier, would you? But it could be a decent setup. Maybe worth taking with micros. I agree with you though. On Apex parts, I'll say they know they have the data. They have the data. They know what's worth and what's not. Market just opened, pandas. Market is just opened. Big gap on the 5 minute. All right, my 5 minute, I only chart the regular trading hours. It's quite a large gap here. Where do we open? These two blue lines are this vortex that I felt like was going to create a vortex in the market because of this chop here yesterday. And we entered it again, and we're right back into it. We opened actually right into it. Look at that second entry long that fails, reverses. Can't take that reversal either because the 20 EMA is blocking you. But currently we're just in this vortex, these two blue lines, bouncing back and forth. Why did I create these two blue lines from yesterday? Well, yesterday we just had this huge cluster of candles, which I felt like was not normal. And I think the market is showing through the price action that it's found a good price, at least temporarily. Equilibrium right here. At least that's how I feel. At least that's what I think. We have a big gap up. Might need like 4 or 5 candles on the 5 minutes to really get a good sense of what's going to happen today. Now we got a third entry long off the 20 EMA. Okay. Micro double top. I don't know what to make of this. Alex Meister, let's go, pandas. Ooh, another push down. Second entry short here. I think a new high needs to be created. Could be wrong. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. What? What just happened? That was weird. Pings of death. That was very strange. I'm gonna try to go long here. Looking for the new high. That was weird. I'm not sure why that happened. This is very choppy. I'm sitting on my pause now. Right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 overlapping bars going in and out of the 20 EMA. I'm gonna sit on my pause here. This is really choppy here. And this is typical where you want to sit on your pause. Inside bar OI pattern. Jeez. Yeah, I don't know what to make of this. I think there's another push up in this move, right? Looking for a new high. Back into the vortex. It looks like an OII. Okay, breaks to the upside, triggering the trap. The second entry long is a Pikachu trade. Okay, Pikachu looks like it's failing. And in general, you just stay away when the market looks like this. With so much overlap going in and out of 20 MA, this is just a definition of chop. So we're just going to sit on our pause here for a little bit. See what happens. Chops beget chops. My NQ on TradingView is going up while NQ on NT is going down. You have broken the quantum realm. That is like that's like quantum physics. It's both. It's all possibilities at the same time. Everything's a probability. The quantum realm. There was a time I was like very fascinated with quantum, like computing and things like that. I think it has died down a lot, but I thought it was honestly going to be the next frontier of technology. I really thought it was going to be. It might still be. I feel like everything that's been created so far has been kind of eh. Okay, finally getting a push up here. I think it's going to come to the top of the vortex, but who knows? It's just so choppy. I'm just staying away from this completely. Even though it goes the way I thought it was going to go, that's fine because it's just so confusing. In the long run, you're thinking that if you stay away from just in general markets like this, then you'll find yourself doing better. Recognizing this very quickly that this is choppy. And it's happening in our vortex, right? These two blue lines. So, kind of makes sense. Very confusing here. Very confusing. Black light, something happened. Hope it's not too serious. That was a bit weird that my orders didn't really go through. I don't know why. Maybe I misclicked or something. Absolute chop, absolute trash again for the PA in the opening hour. Like, can there be one day where we get just really nice price action? Just like I just like nice smooth moves. I like to see big volatile moves up and down. I don't like to see this little teeny chopping here and there and chops and then breaks out, then chops again, breaks out. Impossible to time the market. It's just flipping a coin. NT is lagging by a few minutes? Is my NT lagging? Is it similar to you guys? Did you close your trade? Because that sounds like a good thing. Oh, it's just yours lagging. Interesting. That is so weird. You do not want your broker to be lagging. This is the last thing you want to lag. You need to make sure that your broker is, your platform that you're using is reliable. If it's not reliable, then it's just impossible to trade. It's lagging for you guys. Is it? Now I'm worried. Is mine lagging actually? Because I tried to do something. I tried to like enter a trade, but it says that my trade is like the price was higher than where I entered my trade. It's just weird. Okay, we're breaking out now. That new high, which I expected to happen, is happening now. It's just happened in this much chop, and I could not find a good timing for my breakout. So it is what it is. I'm gonna miss the move up. It's fine, as long as I'm reading it well. Panda, you need to reload. I reloaded. Turn on the crosshair pointer. Set it on the latest bar. Well, the problem is that isn't my latest bar whatever's showing here? Am I wrong? Turn on the crosshair pointer. Interesting. You know what? My 5-minute my 5-minute candles should be good because okay, my 5-minute candles just stopped. Something's definitely going on. My 5-minute candle is at time remaining 0. Something's weird, pandas. Something is weird. Okay. Interesting. That last reload, I think, worked. That was weird. This is kind of scary. But the 5-minute chart should be reliable since it's timed, right? There's time, and right now, the time remaining is equal to the time that I think this is right. Right, this makes sense. That the 5-minute candle is reliable right now. Look at this. Like this completely stopped. This is behind for sure on the MES. Weird.
10,000 tick trap.
I had to reload. Pandas, hey, make sure you reload your charts. Something funky is happening. Make sure you reload your charts. Something definitely funky is happening. Something very strange is happening. Can someone jump on the I'll do it. Right now, I reloaded my historical. If you right click, you can reload all historical data. Just find the option. Right click on your chart somewhere. Make sure you do that because something funky was happening. I need to see this next candle form. When we hit 0, what's going to happen? We're going to print the next candle. Again, it's stuck at 0. Right? If you look in the bottom right corner, it might be very small for you, but it's stuck at 0. So we're getting another delay here. Something is fishy, pandas. I would not take a trade today until this is resolved. I will not take a trade until this is resolved. Oh. Whoa. I'm so confused. I would be very careful trading today, Pandas. I'll be very careful. At least for me. Like, I'm experiencing just some weird delay or lag. And after I reload my historical, it starts to lag again. Something's wrong. Sorry, Pandas. I know this is not really like, this is not the content I want to provide. And I want to actually do some trading here. This huge bar, like, it's so unreliable. I don't know if this bar is real or not. Is this real? Is this what really is happening? I have no idea. I'm like a blind deer. Yeah, this big bar is not real, huh? What is happening? But this vortex, maybe this vortex just is literally in the quantum realm breaking everyone's computers. Something definitely fishy is going on. Pandas, is there a way to see the oof. Give me a second here, Pandas. Give me a second here, Pandas. How do you see the price on Rhythmic? I don't know how to use this thing. Oh boy. Uh, Give me a second, Pandas.
$10,000 tick trap.
Good thing the market is absolute trash right now because I feel like I'll be missing a lot of opportunities right now. There's nothing to trade really right now. Pandas. Pandas. Don't get me wrong here, but today might be one of those offside plays. Today might be one of those offside days. If you guys know what I'm talking about, today might be one of those offside days. It could quite possibly be an offside day today. Where are the admins? Who are the admins? Sorry. Okay. Oh, this is bad. But pandas, hey, this could be a blessing because today could be offside day. Today can be an offsides day. If you know, you know. Offsides days are the best. Best days ever.
$10,000 tick trap.
No, if a couple streamers are... If it's happening to like people independently, it's definitely a system-wide issue. You know what I mean? Like it wouldn't just happen. Like if it's happening to like people independently, I'm on the Apex Discord, and other people are getting it as well. Huh. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe it's just... Is it just me? That's crazy if it's just me. That's really weird. I changed my connection to the actual connection. Like I have an actual license with NinjaTrader because I started trading before all the prop firm stuff, and so I actually have a license with NinjaTrader. So I'm using that connection right now. So hopefully that helps. Like I have no idea where the price actually is right now. All right, I think the big test will be the 5-minute chart. The bottom right, this timer stops. I think something's wrong again. All right, Pandas, this is it. The timer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yep, still lagging. Right, the timer's stuck at 0 still. Something's wrong. Something's definitely wrong still. This is unreliable. I don't even know if this data, if the price is even here. I can't take a trade. I can't take a trade. Pandas, you're saying that you guys are not seeing the same issue? It's just me? Give me a second. People are saying to restart. Give me a second here. I'll be back. I'll be right back. Okay, Pandas. Let's see if this fixes it. I'm refreshing right now. Sorry, Pandas. Technical difficulties. It takes so long to reload data on NinjaTrader. It's crazy. There we go. Takes a bajillion years. What in the world? All right, we're still in this vortex here. These two blue lines that I drew yesterday, I drew according to this cluster of candles. Let me zoom in here. Right, yesterday I drew these two lines based off this cluster of candles saying this is strange. We shouldn't have like perfectly overlapping bars like this, especially like 5+ bars perfectly overlapping. The market has found some sort of equilibrium here. And guess where we are right now? We are trading within that vortex. These two blue bars. I don't know if this is accurate. Does this look better? Or is it similar? I really just had to restart. That is so weird. You had to restart NinjaTrader. That's insane. Okay, my 5 minute is back. My 5 minute is like actually starting the next 5 minute candle. I think we're good. Alright, Pandas, now we can finally lose money. We can finally legitimately lose money now. Great. Missed a nice second entry long opportunity on the 10,000 tick chart because of all that nonsense. Feels like entry long here. Do I like it? Actually, yeah, I kind of do like it, but not anymore. I'd be very disappointed if I was in the trade. I'd be very disappointed if I was in this trade, if I went short here. That reaction. But it makes sense for this to go down a little bit. It's confusing, very confusing. Consider going short there. Consider taking out the retracement here. But it looks so bullish when you see that bull bar. It's just hard. It's hard. Hard just get in. Ends up being a nice push down. Kind of getting this like multiple tops here. Basically trading range. Ends up being a decent scalp to the short side. I don't know if second entry long forming on the 5-minute chart. But it looks like a bull flag. Literally looks like a flag, actually. Because it's basically a triangle. Make sure that point is very pointy. That was very important. Very important. GC Berg, what was the solution? Yep, just restart it. I don't think we're gonna get an offsides play today. But that's weird that multiple people had the same issue, but then seems resolved just by restarting. Strange. Okay, this triangle is starting to play itself out here. It's a bull flag, so most likely gonna keep going up. But it might be like 60-40, right? 60% chance it goes up, 40% chance, so there's still a pretty high chance it doesn't break out here. Tell us, Panda, what your plans to go to 100K? What you're playing to go to 100K? Are you asking how am I gonna get to 100K, or are you asking what am I gonna do if I get to 100K? My plans to get to 100K is to stick to the plan. That's the plan. Take good setups, good context, wait for my setup. You know, if it's trending, then go with trend with my setup. If it's choppy, stay away. Or 100K subs? Are you talking about 100K subs or 100K payouts? You know, pop up here. Second entry long on the 5-minute chart, breaking out now. Such a strong move up. Such a strong move up. 5-minute chart. Strong bull candle ending on its high. Let's see if there's follow through. Looking for always in long trading maybe on the 5-minute chart. Daily chart printed a huge wick, so most likely gonna skip Big Mama here. Probably on both sides. Skip Big Mama. Maybe do it tomorrow if the inside bar is created. Ooh, little trap trade here. Immediately reverses though. It's not good. It's not good if you take that trap, right? Trap is too far away from 20 May, so you cannot take it. But it could still work out. Asma says, you're going to be 100 years old? Not really. We're currently at $1,500 per account. What is it? It's still January, so. You know, you're looking at around $2,000 per month on accounts, which will lead you to $8,000 a month. And $8,000 a month times 12, 96K. You're looking for more or less $2,000. Let me see. What's the exact amount you need per month? If you do 20 trading days a month, let's say. There's obviously more than that, but let's just say on average 20. Big move back down here. You need $2,083 on average per month. So we can get there still. We still have about 5 trading days, including today. So just need to make about $100 a day here. We'll make 100K by end of the year. Second entry long forming here. I'd probably take a fail second entry long in this situation. Thinking we're coming back into our vortex. Give me a second, Panis. Sorry about that, Panis. We got a second entry long here. Oh, the second entry long does trigger here, but fails. Staying above 20 minute double trap. Yeah, Daryl just called me. is inviting me to his ranch so we can play some pickleball. I don't know if Daryl plays pickleball. I don't know if he plays any sports. I'm just gonna say he probably doesn't. He might shoot some guns. Actually, he might shoot guns. I don't know if that's a sport, but it's in the Olympics, so. Wow. We're above the 20 May, so I'm not going short, but I'm not going long either here. It's a little bit tricky. We're clearly above the 20 May, though. It's just, when you have, like, inside, outside bar like this, and then, like, 2 bars that create an outside bar, it's just wacky. This is wacky price action right here. I don't feel confident in anything. This looks bullish, though, right now. Right? You're bouncing off the 20 EMA like this 3 times. The price action is saying it might be bullish. If the fail second entry long triggered underneath the 20 EMA, that would be way more. That's the only setup I would consider. But here above 20 EMA, this is why I don't take any traps above the 20 EMA, because the 20 EMA can act as a support. So. And that's exactly what's happening here. Popping up the higher low. Looks bullish now. A bit bullish. Inside bar created on the 5-minute chart. I could try. I'll try. I don't like it, but I'll try. 1-to-1 trade here. You gotta go for 1-to-1 because you will lose this sometimes, and so you gotta be better than 50% to have this setup be profitable. I'm taking with 5 micros, which is essentially half a mini, so nothing huge here. Even if I lose this, it's not that big of a deal. I just got my feet wet. I'm just a little bit confused, and this setup alone is not that reliable of a setup, right? The inside bar. One reason I like it is because it looks like we're being bullish here, right? Basically bull flag. Looks like we're about to hit it though. The 5-minute chart OI pattern. We may not hit it still. I'm looking for 1-to-1. The reason why I look for 1-to-1 because that's the only way for this setup to be remotely profitable. If you want it to be at all profitable, you have to have a 1-to-1 risk reward, because you will lose this sometimes, and the whole idea is you gotta be better than 50%. So I'm thinking if you do this with trend, you'll be on the profitable side. If you take this setup with trend, saving grace here, it could be a nice runner. We might get a nice runner here. Who knows? About 2 ticks away from getting filled. You gotta love that. 2 ticks getting filled here. Pandas. Let's go, baby. Easy peasy. Come on, bamboo. I traded with 5 micro contracts, pandas. That's half a Emini. So I didn't gain much, but I also wouldn't lose much if I did lose that trade. And the reason why I didn't go heavier there is because the OI patterns, it's like about 50-50 in my opinion. It's about 50-50. We have a runner here. Let's look at the smaller time frame. See if this runner can really. Okay. Okay. Got some potential here. Like, look how confusing this little area was. How confusing was that, pandas? It wasn't really clear, I think, until the OI pattern breakout setup. This is an Al Brooks setup, by the way. I'm not taking Big Mama. Big Mama, look at the daily chart. Look at this wick. You know, these are Big Mamas you try to avoid. But the 5-minute chart right now, let's see. We'll track it with the 2000 tick so you can see like the micro movements a little bit better. It looks like it's about to hit me though. I don't know. It'd be amazing if we get a nice runner here. It's been so long since we got a nice runner. I think 2 days ago we had like a 10-point runner. But I mean 10 points are nice. But don't you want like 20 plus points, pandas? 20-point runners are you know, those are the juicy ones. Second entry long forming here. Do I like it? I don't know. I guess we're bullish. We're breaking out. It's gonna take my runner out, huh? Watch it take my runner out perfectly and bounce right off this area. Just tick shot me. Get ready for a tick shot. Get shot right in the tick. Get ready for it. Brace yourselves. Daryl's name is on the Epstein flight log. What in the world? Ooh, pandas. I may be wrong. This is the time I hope I am wrong. This is the time I hope I am wrong. Panda's going to Payout City. I wish. I mean, it's not that much profit. If I can make like a hundo today, I'll be happy. I need this to go like a couple more points up though. This is second entry long. Hopefully it works out. The second entry long here. Marcus Vaughn, did you get the Payout City? You seem exceeded. Exceeded. It's not excited. If you look in the top left, you can literally see my rhythmic moving up and down. That's just further proves that I am verified here. Oh man, boy oh boy. It's getting quite choppy now. Might be another inside bar being formed on the 5-minute chart. Jishan says, just got my 12K payout from Apex. 6 accounts, 2K each. Let's go, baby. Congratulations. You guys are killing it. Killing it more than me. I'm going to get there. Pandas, trust me. I will get there. It's a matter of time. Turtle Toes, hope I can get there. Ooh, looks like I'm gonna get hit here. Tick shot. Tick shot incoming. Get ready, pandas. Brace yourselves. Black Light also getting his payout. Let's go, baby. Congratulations. Hey, this is for you guys. Congrats to anyone who got a payout. Ooh, second entry long here. I mean, I like it to trigger. It gives me more of a chance for my runner to survive here. I mean, is that a good setup though? Man, I love hearing it. I love hearing when pandas get payouts. It just really brings joy to my heart. Just imagine where we were about 3 years ago. Like people couldn't even pass evals. Now I'm hearing you guys passing, getting payouts. The journey has been real. Second entry long does trigger here. If this trap triggers, ooh, that could be another story. That could be another story, pandas. The reason why I'm not going long here again is because the signal bar is terrible. But the context is not bad actually. Context is not bad to go long here. Like if you went long here, I wouldn't be like super like confused. I would say that makes sense. It makes sense. Just have the proper risk management in these situations. Right, just stick to the plan. Stick to your stop loss. That's it. Ooh, my runner's still alive, pandas. That's very bullish. Got another inside bar on the 5-minute chart. All right, so this setup is happening again, right? It's an outside and inside bar. It simply means that this bar, the range is completely inside the range of the previous bar, which means triangle is being created, which means breakout mode. So if you basically put your order one tick above here and one tick below here, right? 2 orders, and whichever one it goes off of, then you basically put the stop loss on the other side, and you know, hopefully it can make you a 1-to-1. That's exactly what I did here. And you know, you usually lean toward the side of the trend, so you want it to break to the upside because that increases your probability, in my opinion. Okay, if this trap triggers, that could be very detrimental here. Trap does trigger. Uh-oh. I think that's the final chance. I don't think I'm gonna survive this one, pandas. Ooh, don't stop me out. I would love to see this runner fly. I would love to see this runner fly.
10,000.
It's not happening though, pandas. Ah, it's all good. I don't think that's the worst setup to take. On the 5-minute chart, right, it's an OI pattern, but breaks to the downside.
10,000 tick trap.
Again, if you wanted to, you can go short here, hold a 1-to-1, but also the thing is that currently it's an uptrend, so your chances are higher that this setup works. Breaking to the other side here. What people could do is wait for this to happen and then put their order here still, saying that this is a failed attempt to break to the downside, increasing your chances that the upside breakout will be greater. Nah, I mean, I'm not going to top here. Pushing down now pretty strong. Pushing down pretty strong. No setups on the 2000 tick chart. Absolute trash. We have a trap trade here, but it's above 20 EMA. Can't take it. Just like here, you can't take it here. You can't take it here as well. But it does give you a nice push down. Coming back into our vortex. These 2 blue lines. Vortex created yesterday. I said that's a vortex zone. The traders love coming back to it. Black guy's still long. Thoughts and prayers. Thoughts and prayers for sure. Thoughts and prayers right now. Why does this always happen? It's been happening more and more. Coming back into our vortex. The 5-minute prints a very strong bear bar ending on its low. Al Brooks would probably start going short if there's one more bear bar that forms, strong bear bar that forms here. Al Brooks would probably go short, but thinking that this is a wedge, right on the 5-minute chart. 1, 2, 3 pushes up, thinking it's a wedge. He probably goes short. Maybe even after this bar, he probably just goes short, which he already scalped out probably. But if this is a bear bar, he probably goes short here as well. Jeez. Whoo-wee. It's a water slide. Just slipping. Just slipping. Maybe I should have gone short on that inside bar. The inside bar I'm talking about is right here. This inside bar. Maybe I should have gone short there. The problem is, pandas. The problem is, I wish this trap actually triggers beneath the 20 MA. That would have been a beautiful setup. I would have taken it. I think I would have taken that trade. But it triggers above the 20 MA, which makes it so you cannot enter, unfortunately. Does this have more room to go down? Probably. Second entry short will be beautiful here, no? I mean, isn't that like a dream setup, a second entry short here? Big push down, second entry short, but you're also like finding yourself in a trading range back into this vortex. Right back into it. Why do I have a sense that this is going to be just a first entry, not a second entry? Why do I have a sense that this is going to be a first entry only and not give us the second entry opportunity? Why do I have a sense Why do I feel that's gonna happen, pandas? I wish I didn't, but I feel like it might happen. It's such a strong push down. You might not get a two-legged pullback here. Just a single leg. A one-legged pullback. I would like a second entry short here, pandas. I think I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll do it. I'm gonna do it. Ooh! Are we gonna get our setup, pandas? I might just take it here. It's so eager. I put a poll up. Will you take a second entry short here? Ah, man, it's not perfect. But I'm so eager, I'll take it here. I'll take it even here, pandas. Second entry short. It looks good, pandas. It looks good. Give me a good signal bar. It'd be even better. 5 minute closes right on the 20 EMA. Uh-oh. Right. Oh, da. Okay. Okay. I don't know if I want to take it like that, though. I don't want to take it with this signal bar. I don't think I want to take it with that kind of signal bar. Testing the 20 EMA. Okay, if we get a good signal bar here, I'd consider it. Close enough for me. I think close enough for me. Okay, pandas. Okay, pandas, get ready. Second entry short, decent looking signal bar currently. See how it ends. Okay. Okay, I can live with that signal bar. I can live with it. Second entry short. It's been so long, pandas, since we just see a nice second entry short setup with trend, and it just works out. It's just been a long time, hasn't it, pandas? It's been a long day. It's just been a long time since we've seen just a solid setup here. Okay, what is this? It nullifies this entry or this signal bar. Now we're having overlapping bars. Now it's a bullish bar. What is going on, pandas? Now the signal bar is terrible. That is an untradeable signal bar. The risk is small though. Yeah, pandas. Signal bar is so bad. Even I can't even take it with that kind of signal bar. Okay. Okay. Give me a nice tail here. I'm still interested, pandas. Give me a nice tail. Come on. Come on. Give me a nice tail. Give me a nice signal bar here. Come on. Come on. Ooh. 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 Pandas. Pandas. Are we actually going to get a good signal bar here? Pandas. Pandas. We're actually going to get a nice signal bar here. Come on. Come to Papa. Ooh. Signal bar is mid. It's not the best. It's not the best. It's not the worst. Complete doji here. I'm in. I mean, when's the last time we just had a solid second entry short and it worked out for us? Just a nice second entry short. Just work out and not trap us. Come on, don't trap us here. Nice push down. Second entry short. Good signal, decent signal bar, right? It closes beneath the 20 EMA. It's a doji though. Why does this feel so sus now? Why? Why? I mean, I gotta try this, right, pandas? I gotta attempt it. You can't blame me for trying here. I think it's a decent setup. I think it's decent, and it's gonna get me. Man, that's a big one. Pandas. I cannot get a clean second entry. I cannot just get a clean one that just works out, and it just works out without a hitch. It's been so long since I've seen a good setup, pandas, and it's just not happening. It just doesn't happen anymore. I do not know what this is. Do not know why that doesn't work. It's super frustrating. What can I say? I mean, it had everything, had a lot going for it. It had a lot going for it. Instead, it traps me, and it is what it is. The risk is not too large. It's a little more than 2 points. I lost 500 because I took it with a pretty big position. That's because I'm trading this aggressively. But I took a 1-to-1, so if I won that, I would have won 500. If I lost that, then, it is what it is. But pandas, I mean, I thought it looked good. You can't blame me for trying. Can't blame me for trying. I gotta try. When you see the setup, you gotta try. It just stops me out. It might still go the way I think it's gonna go, but darn. I would say the one thing that might have stopped me from really entering there was on the 5-minute chart. We are clearly above the 20 MA. Right, this closes above 20 MA, which made me feel a little sus on that. Maybe I should have paid attention. Maybe I should have put more weight on the fact that 5-minute doesn't really provide that much of follow through after this strong bear bar. I don't know. That's a tough one. Strong push down. It could be. You could always say trading range, and we're at the bottom of the trading range, so that doesn't work out. Instead, it takes me out, creates a inside bar, and probably it may work out here now. It may work out here now, which is unfortunate, right? Because it literally just feels like it went up just to take me out, and then goes back down, right? Inside bar now set up. But I already got hit. I like the premise still, I guess. But since I already got hit on it, it's hard for me. I'm like trigger shy. It's scary for me just to enter. I may take it with a fail trap, right? If this trap's here, I may attempt it with a fail trap so we get a lower high setup. Then I may consider going short here. But other than that, I think I'm going to sit on my pause. I'm sitting on my pause here. If we get a failed trap here, I'll probably go short. I'll try it again. We get instead of micro double top, so we might not get the setup we want. Micro double top's not good enough for me. I want a failed trap here. Especially because if I'm going to take this and take the chance here, I could be a negative $1,000 day today. So I want to make sure the setup is perfect, or not perfect, but at least fits the criteria. So if we get a failed trap here, I consider it because now we are we have a lower high setup confirmation. It's a bad signal bar, too, to go short here. Closes above the 20 MA. I wish the signal bar was better, but traps, the signal bar doesn't matter as much. This is a double trap. I'll attempt this one more time here. And I will be going for 1-to-1. Okay. Guess I'll keep it here. Alright, pandas. One last try, and we'll go for a 1-to-1 here. We must go for 1-to-1 to make these worth it. If it doesn't work out here, pandas, it is what it is. We move on. We cry, we move on. and say, we tried our best. We tried our best. That's the most we can do, right, pandas? That's the most we can do. I'll say right now, it doesn't feel good. I'm gonna say right now, the way it's acting, the little green is showing the little green reversal. I don't like it. I don't like it. At least off the bat. Okay, it looks better now. It looks better now. Looks much better now. Let's get a little push. Ooh. Let's go, baby! Let's go! Let's go, baby! Whoo! Pandas! Pandas! Let's get this runner, pandas. Let's get a runner. Let's get a nice runner. That's all I can ask for, pandas. Let's get a nice runner here. Give me a failed second entry long here, pandas. Give me a nice runner, please. Just give me a nice runner here, please, 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 please. Give me a nice runner. Preferably, second entry long triggers and doesn't take me out and then fails and pushes harder. Preferably, that's what I'm looking for. Now, does a market always do what is preferable? Probably 99% of the time it does not. But maybe this time, this 1% time, pandas. If we get another push down, I'm turning Super Saiyan mode on. Come on. Come on. Give me a runner. Give me a runner, please. Give me a runner. Come on. Ooh. Okay. Okay, we're still alive, pandas. We're still alive. Come on. Don't take me out. Do not take me out. Please don't take me out. Please. Please. Come on. One tick. Saved by the tick. Oh, does a tick shot me? Please don't tell me a tick shots me here. Oh, I think it just tick shotted me. Pandas. Man, oh man, oh man. Okay, maybe not. I want this to go up now because if it tick shotted me, that makes me almost go on tilt here. Oh, pandas. I think that tick shotted me. I think that tick shotted me. Man, we had a nice... Oh, man, did that really just tick shot me? That is so frustrating. That is very frustrating, pandas. Tick shots me right there. Oh, man. And the trap triggers. Jeez. Jeez, jeez, jeez. Man, it tick shots me. So unfortunate. So unfortunate. Darn it, pandas. Man. Alright, it's okay. No reason to complain. No reason to cry over spilled milk. You know, if it happens, it happens. I decided to keep... You know, it's my fault. I should have... maybe I should came out completely break-even instead of break-even plus one tick. That gets me often, actually. So frustrating, though. I mean... Man, watching this drip now... Hurts. Okay, pandas. Yeah. Hey, stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. I actually made more money than I lost here, I think. I lost 2.25 points. How much did I gain here? 2 points, quarter point. Again, a half point more. The only problem is my runner. Yep. The reason why I didn't make much more, because my runner gets stopped out. Man, I got tick shotted. It's all good, Pandas. It happens. All right, Pandas. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow at 9 o'clock for the pre-market show, 9:15 for the mainstream. Hope you guys enjoy the show. Please scalp that like button if you haven't already. And remember, there's news tomorrow, 8:30, and it might be a big one. It might be a big one, so mark your calendars. It's the PC number, so that has to do with inflation. I hope you guys, please be ready for that. I hope you guys trade, well for the rest of the day. And don't forget to use code BBM, 80% off. One single day to pass your evals and take advantage of it, especially tomorrow with the news. I hope you guys get those funded accounts. I hope you get the payouts. Pandas, that being said, hey, hope you guys enjoy the stream. And as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.